last whistle. The 1919 Baker's all up. That's gonna set my watch off. That whistle will set off my watch.
The big one. The big one's got low time.
And then that Rough and Tumble is a case portable dog. There. Yeah. And then the two engines that came from Federal were the Baker and Jamie Hollisford. And then they brought the Reed from Tucker. Yeah, it's sitting there.
The one with the train type stack is $18.99 for.
Yeah, that one. That one.
The boiler. That one needs a big. It has a bad boiler.
Yeah,
It's been down for years for the boiler. They haven't had a chance to take it apart.
They haven't got a chance to finish Rough and Tumble steer wheel either. They just have the half of the parts on there.
It's a barrel train.
2 minutes. I got 2 minutes on my watch. Not the $18.99 for the one right next to it.
It looks like there's 3 steam engines over there.
There's actually 4, I think. And a portable, the SW whistle.
That goes to Carolyn.
Pat's driving that. He used to take care of the shop.
Yeah.
Now I guess Roger gave him the okay